India has introduced two new electric scooters in the Indian market, Atreo and Ahava. The electric scooters are priced at Rs 55,900 for the Ahava and Rs 64,900 for the Atreo model. All prices are ex-showroom. EeVe offers a 5-year warranty on the bike and a 1-year warranty on the batteries on the electric scooters. Both models will also come with 1-year insurance as well. The two electric scooters are also said to be more eco-friendly than its other siblings in the brand's product range, with a running cost of Rs 15 paise per kilometre. The EeVe Atreo and Ahava electric scooters come with a host of technology as well. This includes geofencing, geo-tagging and immobilisation, among others. It features a host of other standard features as well, including DRLs, stylish alloy wheels, sharp design lines and plenty of other elements. What is different between the two scooters is its riding range. While the EeVe Ahava comes with a maximum range of 70 km on a single charge, the EeVe Atreo offers a long rider range of up to 100 km from a full battery. The EeVe Atreo offers a longer riding range of up to 100 km from a full battery. Another difference is the color options available on the two electric scooters. The EeVe Ahava comes with two dual-tone paint schemes, blue-black and red-black. The top-spec EeVe Atreo features a monotone grey color scheme and a red-black dual-tone paint option. Apart from the two new electric scooters, EeVe India also has 4 other models in its product range. This includes the 4U, Wind and Your and the company's previous flagship model, the Xenia. Do let us know in the comment section what do you feel about these newly launched electric scooters by EeVe.